Artificial intelligence (AI) is a multifaceted tool that allows individuals to re-evaluate how we combine information, analyze data, and apply the ensuing insights to improve decision-making. Already, AI is revolutionizing all facets of human life. Darrell West and John Allen cover the application of AI in a range of fields, the challenges it faces in development, and suggestions for maximizing AI's potential while upholding core human values. Hey, and welcome to the channel. Subscribe and follow for more tech-savvy videos. Let's dive in. The blending of the physical, digital, and biological worlds is referred to as the Fourth Industrial Revolution. It combines developments in robots, the Internet of Things (IoT), Web3, blockchain, 3D printing, genetic engineering, quantum computing, and other fields. It is the driving force behind a variety of goods and services that are quickly turning into necessities for modern living. Consider voice-activated virtual assistants like Apple's Siri, GPS systems that offer the quickest route to a location, tailored Netflix suggestions, and Facebook's capacity to identify your face and tag you in a friend's photo. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is setting the way for profound changes in the way we live and dramatically affecting practically every corporate sector as a result of this perfect storm of technologies. It's all occurring at an unheard of breakneck speed, which is why Salesforce created Customer 360 to assist businesses in keeping up with shifting customer expectations. Klaus Schwab, the founder and executive chairman of the World Economic Forum and the author of the book The Fourth Industrial Revolution, was the one who first referred to the modern technological advancements as a new revolution. The Fourth Industrial Revolution has the potential to increase global income levels and enhance the standard of living for all people all around the world, according to an article by Schwab from 2016. What technological advancements are causing change? Artificial intelligence. Computers that think like humans are referred to as AI. They are able to digest data, make inferences, and discern intricate patterns. The application of AI is widespread, from identifying patterns in massive amounts of unstructured data to powering your phone's autocorrect. Web3. Third version of the internet is known as Web3. People could access and view information on websites like Yahoo thanks to Web 1. With the advent of Web 2, users were given more control over the content they created and shared through the use of blogs, wikis, and social media sites like Twitter and YouTube. The community controls ownership in the decentralized Web3 environment. Blockchain technologies, digital currencies, and token-based economies like NFTs all fall under Web3. Blockchain. Without the use of intermediaries, blockchain provides a secure, decentralized, and transparent method for storing and distributing data. The most well-known blockchain use case is the virtual currency Bitcoin. However, other applications of the technology exist, such as tracing supply chains, anonymously safeguarding sensitive medical data, and preventing voter fraud. Augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR). What's the distinction? While augmented reality combines the physical and digital worlds, virtual reality offers immersive digital experiences using a VR headset that replicate the actual world. Examples include the Google Interpret phone app, which enables users to scan and quickly translate street signs, menus, and other text, as well as L'Oreal's AI-powered virtual try-on application, which enables customers to digitally experiment with beauty goods before purchasing them. Robotics. Robotics is the study of the design, production, and application of robots for both domestic and industrial purposes. Robots have become more smart and complex thanks to technology advancements, even though we have yet to see robot aids in every home. They are employed in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, health and safety, and human services. Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to commonplace goods that are connected to the internet and recognizable by other devices such as cars and tracking devices implanted into packages, as well as medical wearables that monitor users' physical state. Businesses benefit greatly from the ability to get customer data from continually connected items, which enables them to more accurately assess how customers use products and adjust marketing efforts accordingly. There are other industrial applications as well, such as when farmers install IoT sensors in fields to track the characteristics of the soil and to help them make decisions about whether to fertilize. Artificial intelligence will keep progressing in 2022 towards becoming the most revolutionary technology ever created by humans. It will have a bigger impact on our evolution as a species than fire or electricity, claims Google CEO Sundar Pichai. This might seem like a fairly bold claim, but given that technology is already being utilized to help us combat climate change, explore space, and create cancer therapies, the potential is undeniable. Cybersecurity using AI. The World Economic Forum stated last year that cybercrime may be a greater risk to society than terrorism. Every connected item you add to a network is necessarily a possible point of failure that an attacker may use against you, making hacking and cybercrime an issue as more and more of our lives are taken over by technology. Finding those sites of failure gets more difficult as networks of linked devices become more sophisticated. But this is where artificial intelligence can help. Smart algorithms are increasingly helping to protect us from 21st century crime by studying network data and learning to spot patterns that imply malicious intents. The metaverse and AI. A shared persistent digital environment where people can interact and have fun is known as the metaverse. Similar to the internet, it is a virtual environment, but the emphasis is on permitting immersive experiences, which are frequently made by the users. Since Mark Zuckerberg discussed developing it by fusing virtual reality technology with the social underpinnings of his Facebook network, the idea has gained a lot of attention. The metaverse will surely be supported by AI. It will be helpful to provide online spaces where people feel comfortable nurturing their creative urges. Additionally, it's conceivable that we'll get used to sharing our metaverse environs with AI characters who can assist us with the duties we're there to complete, or who can simply play tennis or chess with us when we just want to unwind. AI with little to no coding. The lack of competent AI engineers who can develop the required tools and algorithms is a major obstacle to the adoption of AI-driven efficiency in many businesses. The goal of no-code and low-code solutions is to get around this by providing straightforward interfaces that may theoretically be used to build progressively complex AI systems. No-code AI systems will allow us to create intelligent programs by plugging together various pre-made modules and feeding them with our own domain-specific data, much like how web design and no-code UI tools currently allow users to create web pages and other interactive systems simply by dragging and dropping graphical elements together. Natural language processing and language modeling technologies, for example, suggest that in the near future, we may only need to utilize our voice or write instructions. In the increasing democratization of AI and data technologies, all of this will be crucial. Autonomous automobiles. The autonomous vehicles, ships, and aircraft that are expected to transform transportation and society over the next 10 years will be guided by AI. When we look back in the future and realize with horror that we accepted the reality that 1.3 million people die in road accidents every year, 90% of which are the result of human error, 2022 should be a year to remember. Tesla claims its vehicles will exhibit complete self-driving functionality by 2022, though it's unlikely they'll be ready for widespread use. Autonomous vehicles are becoming more and more effective. Its rivals include Apple, GM, Ford, Waymo, a Google creation, and Apple. Any of them is likely to disclose significant advancements in the upcoming year. Hopefully this year will also see the first autonomous ship cross the Atlantic, as the IBM-powered Mayflower autonomous ship, which was created in collaboration with the non-profit ProMare, will make another attempt at the journey, having been forced to turn back during its initial attempt this year. Innovative AI. We're aware that AI is capable of producing works of art, music, drama, poetry, and even video games. In 2022, we can anticipate more elaborate and seemingly natural creative production from our increasingly innovative and capable computer pals as new models like GPT-4 and Google's Brain expand the limits of what is possible. In 2022, these innovations will increasingly be used for ordinary creative jobs, such as writing headlines for articles and newsletters, drawing logos, and creating infographics, as opposed to being experiments or demonstrations of the promise of AI as they are now. Since creativity is frequently considered to be a uniquely human trait, it is clear that artificial intelligence is unquestionably approaching the somewhat fuzzy idea we have of what defines genuine intelligence in terms of breadth and function. Robotic assistant technology development. If you got sick, would you feel safe having a robot nurse take care of you? How would you feel if a robot looked after your elderly parents or other family members, or a machine working as your personal shopper to help you choose an additional pair of jeans? finding enough caregivers to take care of their elderly populations is becoming increasingly difficult in many countries throughout the world. As the baby boomer group ages and enters their later years, this issue will become more urgent. Recent advancements in AI might close this gap. The Japanese government is currently attempting to encourage the acceptance of medical technology that could replace human nurses and carers. Robots that can help patients get out of bed, anticipate when they might need to use the restroom, or keep up with their medicine routines are being developed by Japanese scientists. The creation of wearable mobility aids and devices that can direct individuals to the bathroom and to bed when new AI predicts that the time is right are among the researchers' top priorities for the future. Thanks for watching, like and follow for more.